Hello, in front of me I've got SENNHEISER Momentum 4. In this video I'll show you how to fix connection problems. In the beginning, turn your headphones off. Now connect them to charger. Let them charge for at least 10 minutes, and before, disconnect them from every device you've got. After 10 minutes at least, press and hold this button for about 3 seconds. And now try to reconnect your headphones with your smartphone. Select it from the list and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.